Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the master window switch on a Chevy Uplander. As you can see on the driver's side though, right there is two bolts that we will need to remove with a T. Let me see, okay, this one right there, so this one will be T30, and all we have to do is just remove these two guys. As you can see, they're right here. So for that repair you don't even need to remove the whole door panel. Some vehicles you have to, some you don't. So if you get a flathead screwdriver, you can pry a little bit, and we're going to show you where exactly the clips are once we remove it, so you know where to apply pressure and not to break the plastic trim. As you can see, there is a clip here, and now the wires, you just need to, this one right here you need to push down and pull, this one you need to push right there and pull now, and they tend to get stuck pretty good. And our unlock and lock button is not working, and we think water got into it because you can see how wet that thing is. And this one comes out, and this is the master window switch on that minivan, that Chevy Uplander. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.